What are you two lying around for? Take me home already.
Can you just give us a minute, Vinny?
I ain't got a minute. I'm drying out here.
Sam, he's right. Velvet worms live on the jungle floor where it's damp. If he's away for too long, he'll dry out and get sick. Aha! That water will keep your skin nice and moist, Vinny. Thanks. Got it! Careful.
Hello again!
Oh, for crying out loud.
Good news! We have discovered a way to dissolve the slime that is sticking you together.
You have? What is it?
It's so wonderfully simple. All you need is a few drops of water.
Like the water we just spilled. Oh, I don't think we have any more on board.
We had a feeling that might be the case. Just fly back to HQ and we will deliver some to you.
Deliver some? But how?
See you soon!
Okay, I still don't really know who those guys are, but you two better listen to them. I can't take much more of this.
Guess we've got to figure out a way to steer Ron back to Clade HQ.
Like this? There's no way we can fly Ron while we're stuck together.
You said it yourself, Kit. If we stick together, we can do anything.
I didn't mean it literally.
It's like a desert in here. So dry.
But you're right. We have to try. Come on, Sam. Let's fly this
Sorry, scratching my nose again. Okay, activating the rear tail fins.
Huh?
Nope, wrong button. Yes.
Nice one, Sam. I'll try to turn us around if you can adjust our speed a bit.
It's working.
Can't believe you do all this for little old Vinny.
Hang in there, Vinny. HQ is just up ahead.
Sam, Kit, we can see you. And we've got the spray bottle filled with water to unstick that sticky worm slime.
Okay, Stinkwells, what's the plan?
Bring Ron down as low as you can. Open the hatch and we will handle the rest.
Roger that, Stinkwells.
We've only got one shot at this. Let's go in low.
A little lower. A little lower. Whoa, too low.
Here we come, Stinkwells!
The hatch is open. I repeat, the hatch is open. We're ready to receive the water.
Ready? Aim. Whoopsie.
It's going to fall.
Oh, no, it's not.
Ha!
Oh, nice one, Vinny!
The water's working.
Yes!
We're unstuck.
Quick, unstick Ron.
Controls unstuck.
Toss that over here, Sam.
Still too dry.
We've got to get him home, fast.
Not a problem.
Whoopsie. Now arriving at destination biome. Asian jungle.
Quick, get Vinny on the ground where it's damp.
That's much better. You two really saved my skin today. I forgive you for kidnapping me.
Thanks, Vinny. See you around.
Bye.
See, Sam? We really can do anything when we stick together. Another creature case
Closed. Huh? We're stuck.
Not again.
Where's that spray bottle?
Oh.